You better not. You don't even use me. You know what I said that for.
Videotape you?
Not a whole bunch.
Hey, this motherfucker.
Okay. Y'all ready? Let's go. 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3.
5, 10, fast.
Yes, Mom. No, Mom. Mom, why would I? No, I haven't done that yet. Could you just... Oh, my God. Bye, Mom. I'm in the middle of something. Bye.
Ouch. Looks like you and your mom are having some dramatic issues.
She won't leave me alone. And I don't know what to do about her anymore. She won't listen to me. She always interrupts me. And I just can't take it anymore.
Oh, come on. It can't be that horrible.
You don't have to live with her. Mom, if you're out there, I hate you. I hate you. I wish you'd fall down a well.
Excuse me, sir. I'm going to have to ask you.
I won't go quietly. No! I won't be avenged! No! No!
Golly.